24 hours old, and the Kansas tax plan passed on the 24th day of the legislative overtime already may not fully live up to its promises. Some are already saying it may not fill the more than $400 million budget hole after all. 41 Action News reporter Brian Abel breaks down the potential shortfall. Brian.
Well, the reason why the math may not land in future reality, Amy, is the predictions are just that, a guess, based on human behavior, and what we do could be different than the predictions. Let's start with the sales tax. Starting July 1st, the tax in the state will increase from 6.15% to 6.5%, resulting in a projected increase of $164 million in 2016. But state law says businesses are not obligated to issue that sales tax on their products for 30 days, cutting that $164 million projection by a month if businesses choose to start charging more on August 1st. A difference of what could be up to $13 million. And then there's the variable that could bring the projection down further: flight risk. If consumers decide the 0.35% increase in tax is too much, they have two very real choices of crossing the state border and shopping in Missouri, or turning to buying products online, both of which can take an even larger chunk out of the projected revenue. Another aspect of the tax bill, an amnesty program aimed at people who have dodged taxes. This portion of the bill promises to eliminate penalties and interest on outstanding tax balances for people who pay the owed amounts to the state between September 1st and October 15th of this year. The math experts behind this move say it will add an additional $30 million in the state's coffers. That is, assuming people will choose this route and pay the back taxes. A big gamble when many of those individuals who owe are getting their everyday sales taxes raised. Many lawmakers from both sides of the aisle in Kansas have said the past legislation doesn't address the budget problem of the state, saying they will have to readdress it again during the next session. That is when they will have a better idea of the proposals in the newly passed bill will pan out. Tonight at 6, hear how people are reacting to the soon-to-be increased prices on their shopping receipts. Reporting live in studio, Brian Abel, 41 Action News.